Okay, let me start for the third part of the question. The question is grammar questions. The grammar is basically tense questions, yeah. Grammar questions for English learners. This is from Family Link with Mesa Capital. This is my phone number, and do this and this one, and these three are very important to me, so don't forget to do this, please. That's okay. Let's start the first question. በነገራችን ላይ እነዚህ የግራመር ጥያቄዎች ስትመልሱ የመጀመሪያ ጉዳይ ጥያቄውን በደንብ ለይቶና ምን መጠየቅ እንደፈለገ መረዳት መጀመሪያ ያስፈልጋል። ግራመር ሲመለስ ኮንቴክስቱ ነው፣ ዛጋ የተቀመጠውን ኮንቴክስት ወይም ሲቹዌሽን መረዳት ነው። ፍንጭ ይሰጣል። ሂንቱን ተረድታችሁ ነው መመለስ የምትችሉት እንጂ ሲምፕሊ እዚህ ጋር ያለውን ጥያቄ ደጋግሞ ማንበብ ምናልባት ካልተረዳነው ጽንሰ ሐሳቡን በተለይ የቴንስ ጥያቄዎች ሊያስቸግሩን ይችላሉ። ፕሊዝ ከዛ በላይ ከሆነ ደግሞ ምርጫዎች ላይ መምጣት ነው። ማለት ምርጫዎች ላይ ትመጡና እያንዳንዳቸው ምርጫ ክሪቲሳይዝ አድርጓቸው፣ ኮሜንት አድርጓቸው። ይሄን የት ነው የምንጠቀመው፣ ይሄኛውን የት ነው የምንጠቀመው። ስለዚህ አፕሮፕሪየት የሆነው ምርጫ ጥያቄያችሁን ኮምፕሊት ታደርጋላችሁ። So you must use this strategy, and you also use your own experience about answering the grammar question, especially for the tense questions here. As soon as possible, I'm going to, or I will try to explain in Amharic as well as in English, and you do understand in both versions here. When I arrive at the blank dinner, when this is a clue, please here. Yes, when I arrived, the best important thing to answer the question is this one. When I arrived, this happened by chance, or which is an afterward action, which are happened by suddenly. Okay, there was another past action which was taking place in a certain time in the past years. One thing, and there is a conjunction when it is true for past continuous and sometimes past perfect, sometimes for simple present. So when I arrived, they ate dinner. No, it's wrong, please. When I arrived, they were eating dinner. Yes, ለምንድነው ኤት የማይሆነው መሰላችሁ? ይሄ ሁለተኛ በድንገት የተፈጠረ ኢቨንት ነው ካልኩኝ እዚህ ጋር ሰርቴን ታይም ወስዶ ሲከናወን የቀደመ የነበረ ሎንግ አክሽን ነበር ማለት ነው። ይሄ ሁለቱም ሾርት አክሽን አይደለም ማለት ነው አይደለ? ስለዚህ ፓስት ኮንቲኒዩስ ፈርስት አክሽን ሎንግ አክሽን ነው። ይሄ ፓስት ፐርፌክት ነው። ፓስት ፐርፌክት ደግሞ ይሄ ኮንቴክስት አንጠቀበትም። had been eating the past perfect continuous tense ነው። ይሄ ማለት an action had been taking place in a certain time in the past, and sometimes there was a result, and the result was connected with the past, actually past perfect continuous tense. So the answer is what? We're eating. When I arrived, they were eating dinner. First action, they were in the middle of eating dinner, and then what? Arrived. This one is the first action, and this one is the second action. Because of the dependent clause, as that I got close here, I normally answer with past continuous tense. Very important information, just like this, please. Yeah. በዚህ መልኩ ነው ጥያቄውን ልመልስ የሚችለው ማለት ነው። She blanked the report before the meeting started. Right? She finished, simple past. She had finished, past perfect. She was finishing, past continuous, and she had been finishing the past perfect continuous. Both these two distractors are not totally the answer for the question, because finishing by itself doesn't take certain time, doesn't be emphasized with continuous, so that's wrong structure. So C and D are out of the distractors here. And finished, because there is before tense here. If there is before tense, there is one dependent and there is one independent clause. Before the meeting started, subordinate clause, which is dependent. There is also an independent clause here. Look at the dependent clause is written as the past perfect or the simple past. So the first action is the past perfect here. So the answer is B. She had finished the report before the meeting started. አያችኋል? ምን ማለት ነው? ሁለት አክሽኖች አሉ። had finished first action ነው፣ real action እንለዋለን። before the meeting started an afterward action ነው፣ second action ነው። ይሄ ተከናውኖ ካለቀ በኋላ የመጣ ጉዳይ ነው አይደል? she had finished the report before the meeting started አይደል? ስለዚህ ስብሰባው ከመጀመሩ በፊት ሪፖርቱን ጽፋ ጨርሳለች ነው። ለቀደም ልክ እንዳልኳችሁ ፈርስት አክሽን ሰከንድ አክሽን ፍንጭ የሰጠኝ ጉዳይ አንደኛ አያያዡ ሁለተኛ ኢቨንቱ ራሱ ዲፔንደንት ክሎዙ አፍተርዋርድ አክሽን መሆኑ በፓስት ፐርፌክት ኮምፕሊት እንዳደርግ ያደርገኛል that is the logic behind it please question number 3 while I blank television or the phone rang you are right while I blank the phone rang this is the phone rang this is short action or an afterward action there was long progressive action here expect የምናደርገው ነገር ምንድነው አንደኛ while ስትጠቀሙ የሚገልጸው ቴንስ በፕሮግሬሲቭ ነው ሁለተኛ ሎንግ አክሽን ነው ፈርስት አክሽን ነው እሱ ነው የምትፈልጉት አሁን watched አይደለም I was watching past continuous while I was watching television the phone rang ምን ማለት ነው ይሄ ማለት ቴሌቪዥን እያየሁ እንደነበር ስልኩ ተደውሎ ነበር ነው አይደል ስልኩ ተደውሎ ነበር ማለት ሰከንድ አክሽን ነው ቴሌቪዥን እያየሁ መቆየቴ the first action ነው ሁለት የተለያዩ አክሽኖች ሲከናወኑ ምን ገልጽበት ነው ሁለተኛ past continuous እንድጠቀም ያደረገኝ conjunction ነው while ማለት ነው yes while I was watching television the phone rang exactly I had been watching while I was actually yes question number 4 by the time we got to the cinema the movie blank by the time means when we get to the cinema እዚህ ጋር ነው የምትወጡት በቃ ይሄ ነው the key question here the key information the key hint that you get from the question is by the time we got which is simple past here we go to the cinema alright we go to the cinema got past ነው ሪሌት የሚያደርገው ከፓስት ጉዳይ ነው ከፊውቸር ጋር ከፕሬዘንት ጋር ምንም በፍጹም ሊገናኝ አይችልም በቃ that's okay already started ነው auxiliary verb የለም ስህተት ነው ማለት ነው had already started the past perfect ነው of course was already starting ስህተት ነው ይሄ already ነው past continuous already ነው አውስተም start የሚለው በጀረንድ ፎርም የለውም በጀረንድ ፎርም አንገልጸውም እና ሲመልስ ሊሆኑ አይችሉም had been starting ይሄም ሊሆን አይችልም simply ማን ነው የሚሆነው had already started by the time we go to the cinema the movie had already started ገብቷችኋል አይደል የትኛው ነው first action ፊልሙ መጀመሩ second action ፊልም አቤቱ መድረሴ ሁለት የተለያዩ አክሽኖች ሲከናወኑ በተለያየ ሰዓት ሲከናወኑ ምን ገልጽበት ቴንስ the past perfect እንለዋለን the past perfect please here I think it's clear yeah question number 5 he belonged for hours before he finally found the solution he belonged for hours before he finally found the solution he thought for hours past yeah he was thinking for hours yeah he had thought for hours before he finally found the solution he had been thinking for hours one thing which is important to answer the question please there are some mental rules which do not have continuous form that is called think know remember forget promise insist on apologize all these are examples of words which totally do not have any continuous form from this extent think is one of the mental verbs so it doesn't infer or express with continuous form so B and D are not the answer because of the problem that I'm telling you this word please mental verb mental ability verb doesn't have continuous form that's a problem so ስለዚህ ይሄን out እንደዚህ አድርጌ ማለት I thought ይላል because we have two different events the events happen in different times that's okay በቃ ሁለት ኢቨንቶች አሉ በተለያየ ሰዓት ተከናውነዋል ፓስት ሊሆን አይችልም ፓስት ማለት ሁለቱም ፓስት ከሆነ at the same time ሲከናወኑ ማለት ለምሳሌ as I opened the door I left the room ላላላ as I opened the door I left the room ላለው ከፍቼው በሩን ወጥቻለሁ ሁለት ኢቨንቶች almost close በሆነ ሰዓት ሲከናወኑ simple past both case እንጠቀም ይችላል እዚህ ጋር ግን both case simple past እንጠቀም አያግደንም he had thought for hours before he finally found the solution ለሰዓታት ሲያስብ ቆይቷል ሶሉሽን ከማግኘቱ በፊት ለሰዓታት ሲያስብ ቆይቷል of course ሲያስብ መቆየቱ first action ነው he found solution second action ነው right ማሰቡ ነው መጀመሪያ ካሰበ በኋላ found solution ነው ሁለተኛ afterward action ነው አለ ይሄ afterward action ነው ሁለተኛ as I told you before the conjunction might sometimes give us clues to answer for the kind of tense phrase especially for the B and D do not take about this conjunction is including A also right including A or sometimes some grammarians say the past perfects are before tense all right አንዳንድ ግራመሪያኖች past perfect ምንድነው የሚሉት before tense ነው የሚሉት አይደል ሁለት የተለያዩ ኢቨንቶች አሉ ማለት ስለዚህ እሱን ፍንጭ ሊሰጠን ስለሚችል of course the answer is C ብላችሁ ትመልሳላችሁ A blank my case, so I couldn't get into the house. Yes, a blank my keys, so I couldn't get into the house. Okay, I couldn't get into the house. I lost my keys, so I had lost past perfect. I was losing and I had been losing. ምክንያቱም lose ስንል በኮንቲኒየስ ፎርም አይደለም የምንገልጸው። ስለዚህ ሲናሪ አይሆንም። እና ቢ ናቸው። I lost my keys, so I couldn't get into the house. I had lost the keys, so the answer is simple past. I lost the keys, I couldn't get into the house. ምን ማለት ነው ማለት? ቁልፉ ጥያሉ ነው። ቁልፎችን ጥያው so I couldn't ቤት ውስጥ መግባት አልችልም ነው አይደል? I lost ማለት I don't know, just no one knows whether the key is with me or not. I cannot find my key in the sense I lost my key. I cannot find him in the certain አይችልም አይደል? So the answer is what? I lost my key, so I couldn't get into the house. Yeah, actually that's right. I had lost my keys, so I couldn't get into the house. That's not C and D are not the answer, please. So what should be the, yeah, I think the answer is A. The children belong in the garden when it started to rain. Yes, the children belong in the garden when it started to rain. When it starts, there is dependent, which can be inferred with past tense here. This is simple past. The children played. No, because if you insert played, it is a progressive long action, so it cannot be written as simple past. Short complete action ይገለጽ አይችልም ማለት ነው። The children were playing in the garden when it started to rain. Had played, of course, past perfect had been playing when it started to rain. So the children were playing in the garden when it started to rain. Yes. ዝናብ መጣት ጀምሮ እንደነበረ ህፃናቶቹ ጋርደኑ አካባቢ ላይ ትክልት ቦታ ላይ ይጫወታሉ። ያትክልት ግቢ ውስጥ ይጫወቱ ነበር ማለት ነው። The children were playing in the garden when it started to rain. Past continuous. When an action was happening before another past action happened, or before another past action interrupted it. Yeah, because raining, it started to rain interrupt what they're playing. All right, so that's past continuous. So we're playing here. Before moving to Spain, she learned French for 2 years. Nice place. Yeah, get the ያቄውት Before moving to Spain, she learned French for 2 years. She learned it. Simple past, had learned it, past perfect, was learning past continuous, and had been learning the past perfect continuous. Before moving to Spain, she learned French for 2 years. She had been learning French for 2 years. One, this long progressive action. For it answered the question. Actually, how long had she been learning French? How long? Right? Before moving, before I left the town, I had been learning Arabic in Addis. Yeah? Before I left the town, I had been learning Arabic in Addis. Yeah? Of course, that is past perfect continuous. That's the logic here. So, I had been learning French for 2 years. Alright. So, the situation here is long progressive action. Long past progressive action. But it doesn't complete with past continuous because the context doesn't invite me to insert with past continuous, of course. We think of two different events. One happened after the other, which is sudden. So this question doesn't infer or doesn't be explained just like this way. So the answer is have been learning. Yeah. When I saw him, he belonged a newspaper. The same question was reading a newspaper. The approach of the question is the same for the previous two questions. Yeah. The basic information that pushed you to answer with past continuous or was reading is when I saw him. When I saw him, he was reading newspaper, of course. After they belong eating, they left the restaurant. Yeah. After they belong eating, they left the restaurant. Yeah. This is dependent clause here, and they left the restaurant. The main clause, which can be expressed with simple past, which is, just simple past action or an afterward action. But the first case here is first action and early action, which is after here. After they had finished eating, they left the restaurant. The first action here is past perfect, and the second action is left the restaurant. So that's this kind of question is past perfect. Okay. የመጀመሪያው event past perfect ነው። ሁለተኛው second event ወይም afterward event ነው። ሁለተኛ እዚህ ያለው conjunction የሚፈልገው አሁንም ልክ እንዳለው after and before አያያዥ ቃሎች ካሉ በአብዛኛው ከማን ጋር ነው የሚሄዱት? ከpast perfect ጋር ይሄዳሉ። እሱን awareness መፍጠር ነው please. She was tired because she belonged all day. Yes, look here. She was tired because she belonged all day. She was tired. Sometimes she was tired. It is really related with the past, and sometimes it is the result of the continuous progressive action. So there is a kind of tense which had been or which was taking place in a certain time in the past. Okay, she was tired ስንል ሪዘልት ሆኖ ከፓስት ጋር የተገናኛል። ስለዚህ ፕሬዘንት ኮንቲኒየስ ወይ ፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት ኮንቲኒየስ ወይ ፊውቸር አይፈልግም ማለት ነው አይደል? ሾርት አክሽንም አይፈልግም። ወርክድ ሲምፕል ፓስት ነው። ፓስት ፐርፌክት ነው። was working and had been working. yeah, had been working which is past perfect continuous tense ነው። አንደኛው ኦል ላይ የሚለው ሰርቴን ታይም ሊገልጽላቸው ፕሮግሬሲቭ የሚለውን ቃል ይገልጽላቸዋል። yes ይሄ ኦል ዴይ ለፓስት ኮንቲኒየስ እንጠቀማለን፣ ለፓስት ፐርፌክት ኮንቲኒየስ እንጠቀማለን። but specifically past perfect continuous እንድጠቀም ያደረገኝ she was tired. yes it is a result. please the result is connected with the past not the present time. that's the reason ከፓስት ኮንቲኒየስ የምለይበት እዚህ ጋር ያለው ኮንቴክስት ስለሚያስገድደኝ ነው። ስለዚህ had been working all day ነው። ሙሉ ቀን ስራ ስለቆየው ወይ ሙሉ ቀን ስራ ስለቆየው ደክሞ የነበር ምለው ይሄን ስጠቀም ነው። so the right answer is this one please. the train by the time we reached the station. the train by the time we reached by the time which is when ማለት ነው አይደል? and there is we reached which is simple past. ስለዚህ was living had ይሄም ሊሆን አይችልም ምክንያቱም live የሚለው ቃል only progressive ወይም continuous form የለውም። either በፕሬዘንት ካልሆነ በፓስት ካልሆነ በፐርፌክት ነው የሚገልጸው። ስለዚህ ሲና ዲመርስ ሊሆኑ አይችልም። completely wrong ነው። በቃ ሁለት ነገር ነው የምናገረው። by the time we reach the station dependent clause ነው። dependent clause በፓስት ተገለጸ አይደል እንዴ? ስለዚህ dependent clause after what action ነው እንደገና ካሰብኩ ማለት ነው had already left ማለት ነው። yes by the time we reach at the station ልክ ባቡር ጣቢያው ደርሼ እንደነበረ ባቡሩ already ሄዷል ማለት ነው አይደል? first action happened ሆነ second action ባቡሩ ላይ arrived መሆኔ ነው። so that's a clear example for past perfect. exactly. question number 13. while I belonged to work I saw an accident. yeah while blank yeah while I was driving past continuous. ተመሳሳይ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። of course የምፈልገው ነገር እናንተን እነዚህ የቴንስ ጥያቄዎች ሞር ፕራክቲስ እንድታደርጉትና ኢንሃንድ እንድታደርጉ በኮንፊደንስ ጥያቄዎች እንድትሰሩ actually እንድትጠቀሙት ነው የተፈልገው። he belonged his homework before he went out to play. yes he had done before he went out. he had a second action, the first action and complete action had done, not have been doing አይሆንም። they belonged for 30 minutes when the bus finally arrived. yes they belonged for 30 minutes. look here look ነው when the bus finally arrived short action ነው አይደል? when the bus finally arrived dependent clause ነው። simple past ጋር ነው የሚገናኘው። for 30 minutes ደግሞ how long የሚለውን ጥያቄ የሚመልስ ነው። how long ማለት the present perfect continuous, the past perfect continuous, the future perfect continuous ብቻ ናቸው። ሶስቱ continuous ፎርሞች ናቸው for 30 minutes how long የሚለውን ጥያቄ ሊመልሱ የሚችሉ። ስለዚህ when the bus finally arrived simple past ነው። ስለዚህ ከማን ጋር ነው የሚሄደው? past perfect continuous። ምን ማለት ነው ማለት? they had been waiting for 30 minutes when the bus finally arrived. ለ30 ደቂቃ ያህል ሲጠብቁት ቆይተዋል። ልክ መኪናው አውቶቡሱ እንደመጣ አውቶቡሱ እንደመጣ ለ30 ደቂቃ ያህል ሲጠብቁት ቆይተዋል። exactly absolutely the right answer is here. I belonged the movie before so I didn't watch it again. yeah look here I belonged the movie before so I didn't watch it again. yeah I saw the movie before I had seen the movie before I had been seeing. yes no look here I was seeing አይሆንም። ምክንያቱም ልናገር እዚህ ጋር እነዚህ ስቴት ቨርቦች ናቸው። see smell taste hear and touch they are state verbs. they do not have totally continuous form so we cannot express in words as continuous. so see and dt are not the answer. በቀላሉ ትመልሱታላችሁ ምክንያቱም እነዚህ ወርዶች continuous form የላቸው። either present አላቸው ካልሆነ perfect አላቸው። በጣም ጥሩ I had seen the movie before I didn't watch it so I didn't watch it again. exactly ስለዚህ I saw the movie before so I didn't watch it again. okay I had seen the movie before so ስህተቱን ነው I had seen the movie before full stop እኮ ማለት እዚህ ጋር I had seen past perfect ይሄንን ሊገልጽ አይችልም በዚህ ኮንቴክስት። I saw the movie before just signal expression ነው ይሄ እኮ በነገራችን before ስንጠቀም simple past እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው። yes በፊት ፊልሙን በፊት አይቼው ስለዚህ እንደገና ማየት አይጠበቅብኝም ወይም እንደገና ማየት አልፈልግም ነው። አግኝቼዋል complete action ነው started and complete action so I didn't want to repeat it again. thus I had seen ስንል ይሄን signal expression አይወስድም። nice the sun blank when we wake up. The sun blank when we wake up. The sun shone, past tense. The sun was shining, past continuous. The sun had shone, past perfect. And the sun had been shining when we wake up. Yes? Yeah, what's the answer here? The sun shone, past tense, no? And the sun was shining. The sun was when we wake up. So the answer is what? Was shining. Yeah, when we wake up. Past continuous ማለት ነው. Question number 18. By 2020, she belonged at the company for 5 years. Nice. There is a different question here. By 2020, the coming 20 years. Alright? በሚቀጥለው 20 ዓመታት ነው ያለው። For 5 years. Look here. Work it. Okay, ለሚቀጥለው 20 ዓመት እያለ simple past አንጠቀም. Had worked already completed ነው። ይሄን ሊገልጽ አይችልም. Was working past continuous ነው. ይሄን time expression ሊጠቀም አይችልም. Had been working. Yes, for by 2020 had been working. So the answer is like this, please. Will have been working. Yeah, will have. Yes, right. So this answer is called what? The future perfect continuous tense ማለት ነው. Future perfect continuous ማለት. Yes, future perfect. Yes, have been working. No, yeah, that's called will have been working, and will have worked by 2020. So the answer should be ምንድነው የሚሆነው? Yes, will have worked, yeah, for 5 years. Also past perfect will have worked. By 2020 ማለት an action will be completed, will be ended, will be finished by the expected time in the future ነው የሚላችሁ. yes, future perfect ማለት በአንድ በተቀመጠለት ሰዓት ገደብ ባለው ሰዓት የሚከናወን ተከናውኖ የሚያልቅን ድርጊት የሚገልጽበት ብቸኛ ቴንስ the future perfect ነው። ያ by 2020 ማለት an action will have completed before that or after that. The expected time is by 2020. This is called signal expression by phrase እንለዋለን actually, yeah, which indicates about the future perfect here. Should have worked at the company for 4 years. በ2020 ለካምፓኒው ላይ ለአምስተኛ ዓመት ትሰራለች ነው። በሚቀጥለው 2020 ለካምፓኒው ላይ አምስተኛ ዓመት ትሰራለች ነው። will have been working አንጠቀም። ይሄ an action will have been doing in a certain time in the future ነው። ሲከናወን እየቆየ የሚደረግ ድርጊት የምንገልጽበት ነው። ስለዚህ by 2020 የሚለው future perfect እንጠቀም። ለምሳሌ by the end of 2018, look here, by the end of 2018 I will have taken my university entrance examination. በ2018 መጨረሻ የዩኒቨርሲቲ ኢንትራንስ ኤግዛሚኔሽን ወስዳለሁ ስንል ቀድሜ ልወስድ አልችልም፣ ዘግይቼ ልወስድ አልችልም፣ በዚህ ዓመት መጨረሻ የሚለውን ሴንስ ይሰጠኛል ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ by the time I get home, ለምሳሌ look here, by the time I get home I will have prepared my lunch. ያ ልክ ቤቴ እንደደረስኩኝ ምሳዬን አዘጋጅቻለሁ ነው አይደል? by the time I get home ማለት ልክ ቤቴ እንደደረስኩ ነው። ከቤቴ ቀድሜ ከመድረሴ በፊት አላዘጋጅም፣ ዘግይቼም አላዘጋጅም። በተቀመጠለት ሰዓት የምፈጽም ከሆነ future perfect እጠቀማለሁ። exactly. Question number 20. Before she moved to Paris, she belonged in London for a year. She moved to Paris. Yeah, she had been living. Exactly. Yeah, she had been living in London for a year. So past perfect continuous had a relation with simple past here because the statement here is progressive and it needs progressive tense, progressive question. This can be inferred with the past perfect continuous, not the past perfect, not the past continuous, not with simple past. That is the way you answer the question, please. These 20 questions are grammar special tense questions. I hope I'm trying to give clear explanation and justification for every question. You do understand and you will get hints and information how you are going to take for you any kind of exam relating with or related or in line with change the question. I think you'll answer with confidence, please. Yeah. Here is share, comment, and subscribe my channel. And not just thank you for the time being. And I'll present the third part of grammar, please.